Hey guys, this crypto class. In today's video I brought you updates on the Blum airdrop. We are going to be discussing the TGE, the newest Blum tax, and also the snapshot that have been taking place on the 21st of October and what is going to be happening next on this particular project, whether we are going to be waiting for the TGE and when are we expecting it. All right, now before we go into that, if you are new on this particular channel and you haven't subscribed this crypto class, quickly go ahead and tap on this subscription button right here and go ahead and click on this bell icon to turn on your notification to all, so that YouTube will notify you anytime we post any new video like this. And go ahead and quickly click on this thumb up button to help us increase our algorithm, and comment on the comment section, share to your friends for them to participate in this particular project and this particular platform. All right, now let's get started immediately. Now currently you can see my Blum point is about 360,833 Blum points, of which we have calculated how much this is gonna be giving us according to the pre-market price. All right, quickly we are going to calculate it before we go into the next step, which is the Blum newest tax, the TGE, and the rest. I'll head on to my calculator right here. I told you I have about 360,000 token. Now each Blum point is about 0.0033. now if you calculate it, it's going to be giving us about $1,188 right here. Now this is a good amount if Blum eventually launch at this particular point at their pre-market, of which is expected they launch above their pre-market, of which I've told you how much this gonna be on the day. Okay, now let's say the Blum launch above their pre-market is gonna be launching at 0.005. okay, but we put our benchmark at this pre-market price. Definitely they are going to launch at that particular extent. Now let's go over to the Blum point or the Blum airdrop so that we'll get started immediately. Now right here you can see, if you go over to this end session, all right, now let's go over to this end session right here. You can see there is a new Blum tax on the academy, and also weekly we have to check into the social medias of this particular Blum, and right here there is a one quest that we have not completed, which is already loading, and we are going to take care of it at this moment. All right, now let's quickly start with our academy. Now if you want all the Blum answers, you can go through our previous videos and get it, or you go into our Telegram community. There are a lot of them lying up there, so you go ahead and explore it. All right, now let's get started. Just click on this start button right here. Now it's gonna take you to YouTube, and then just go back and allow it to verify. So it takes some seconds to verify. Click on this verify right here, and the answer right here is Ultra Blum. Now what you need to do is to click on this keypad right here. Now if you click on this keypad, turn on your keypad to capital letter as I always tell you. Now click on Ultra Blum. All right, this is Ultra Blum. Okay, now you can see the answer right here. Go ahead and click on this verify, and then click on this verify button again. Right here is the claim button that is appearing right here. Just click on this claim to claim about 250 Blum point right here. Now you can see we have successfully claimed, and then we'll go over to the weekly checking in on this social media. Click on this open, and right here we are going to be claiming 90 Blum points in each of them, which is 6 stacks. Firstly, we have joined all this, so all you need to do is to just click on the start. Was it load, just go back, then click on the second one, then go back, then click on the third one. We have joined it. If you have not joined, go ahead and join. All right, but I am sure that we have joined all these. Then click on the third one, then let's go ahead, then the fourth or the fifth right here, which is the Discord. I told you, make sure you have these particular apps on your phone, all right, for you to make use of them quickly. Now this is the last one right here. All right, right here you can see that all the claim buttons are up. Okay, now we go ahead and click on the claims. All right, now we are going to claim all the 90 Blum points in each of these 6 stacks, which is very easy. You can see that we have claimed all right here. Now all we need to do is to come back to this quest. Okay, now but this quest is not going, is already loading since, so we allow it. When it eventually load finish, then we'll make use of them. All right, now that means from this particular place right now, we have completed all our Blum end session, and currently our point has also increased. Then we'll go ahead and click on this friend right here. This is our friends, and right here we are going to be claiming about 1059 Blum point from here, from friends. I told you the snapshot has already been taking place. All you need to do is to play your drop games, and if you are new, I'm going to quickly play one of the drop games so that you get started and know how you are going to play this. You can see our Blum point has increased to 362,000, and then we click on this play button. Now this is what you need to do right here. Okay, now all you need to do is to break these crystals right here as they are falling and dodge these pumps. And there is a Celo somehow. Okay, that is just like a pause button, so I believe they are going to show one of it right here. Once they show one of it, we are going to be making use of it. So but eventually we do not see it if you see any of them. Okay, right here is it. Now you can see there is a pause, and right here on this top is another Celo, which is a pause. All right, now you can see we have acquire about 119 Blum points from playing this particular game. This is the easiest way. For continuous logging in, you'll be getting about 70k in this particular Blum. All right, so go ahead and play your drop games. And lastly, we are going to be talking about what's next, when this Blum is gonna be listing. Okay, this October, and October is almost gone, and the pre-market has already started in all the exchanges in which they are going to be listing, except on Binance, which Binance is going to be making use of their Binance launch pool when the time starts. Okay, so we are expecting Blum launch on November. With everything that is going on right now, so it's not gonna be listing on this October. So the TGE is gonna hold on November, but there is no particular date slated for this to hold. That is all you need to know for now, and do have a great day.